Hey everybody, this is Robin Taylor with Taylor Freelance. I'm here to chat with you about the much anticipated brass backstrap for the Canik MC9. The Canik MC9, as most of you know, is a lightweight striker-fired micro compact. As a result, it's extremely top heavy and tends to be hard to control just because of its small size. Among micro compacts, it's actually fairly easy to control, but they're all micro compacts, so they all kick. One of the issues that we've been addressing is that Canik, when they make backstraps for the SC and now for the MC, they make them with this radically cut angle to make the whole gun feel smaller. It does feel smaller, it's a little easier to conceal, but the downside is that sharp edge there stabs you in the palm when you're using it. So I'm going to install one of ours so you can see the difference. If you look closely, the MC9 is cut off flat at an angle, whereas the Taylor Freelance model comes down around in a curve around the bottom of the gun in order to give you a little bit more grip area pressing against your hand. It also works to deflect the flesh of your hand away from the magazine opening, so you're less likely to blood blister yourself with the magazine. And it's not significantly different as far as concealment because all of this is smooth and round, and it's really about the same length as the magazine itself. So the big difference though is in balance. With the factory magazine, with the factory with the factory backstrap in place, the gun's very light and twitchy, and if I start taking fingers off, it tries to fall out of my hand. If I put the brass piece on, now it doesn't do that. Now when I start taking my fingers off, it'll just lay there to the point where I can just balance the gun. Oop, get on there. Balance the gun based off of that pressure point, which is up where it's supposed to be anyway. And you certainly can't do that with the factory Canik MC9. The difference in shooting behavior is very noticeable. The brass backstrap weighs 2.7 ounces. The whole frame for the MC9 only weighs 5.1. So you're raising your non-reciprocating mass by over 50%. Gun feels very different when you shoot it. So we'll have these available. These are the shiny ones. I'm looking at the first articles off the mill right now. But in the next few weeks, we'll have these in brass Cerakoted black, black anodized aluminum, red anodized aluminum, and you can get them in any color you like through our custom color option. So anyway, there you go. Canik MC9 Backstrap by Taylor Freelance.